In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete an owner's draw in QuickBooks Online. An owner's draw is when you, as the business owner, take money out of the business for personal use. It's important to record this correctly so your financial reports stay accurate and your equity balances make sense. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps in QuickBooks Online, and I'll explain what each field means as we go so you know why you're doing it, not just where to click. To start, log into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the top menu bar. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu with different transaction types. Under the Vendors column, choose Check. Even if you're not physically writing a paper check, this is the form we'll use to record the owner's draw. Next, you'll land on the check screen. At the top, there's a Payee dropdown. This is who the check is going to. For an owner's draw, select your own name as the payee. If your name doesn't appear in the list yet, click Add New and set yourself up as a vendor. This might feel a little strange, but it's simply how QuickBooks tracks who the money is going to. Now complete the top portion of the check. Choose the bank account the money will come from, such as your main business checking account. Enter the date you're taking the draw so it matches your bank activity. If you're writing a physical check, type the check number in the check number field so it matches your checkbook. If you plan to print it from QuickBooks instead, select Print Later. Next, scroll down to the Category Details section. This is where you tell QuickBooks how to categorize the transaction. In the Account dropdown, select your owner's equity or owner's draw account. QuickBooks often creates a default owner's equity account for sole proprietorships, but if you're not sure which account to use, it's a good idea to check with your accountant so your equity and tax records stay clean. In the Amount column, type the exact amount of the draw you're taking. You can add a simple description if you'd like, such as owner's draw, to make your records clearer later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your owner's draw is now recorded, your bank account reflects the withdrawal, and your equity account shows the reduction in your ownership balance.